How to invest in mutual funds. 5 easy steps. Any one person who is wondering how to start investing in mutual funds can follow these 5 easy steps for investing in mutual funds. Start with risk profiling, that is, to understand your risk tolerance and capacity. Knowing the amount of risk one can take before investing in mutual funds is essential. After completing the risk profiling, the next step is asset allocation, where you must divide your money between various asset classes. Asset allocation should include a mix of equity and debt instruments to balance the risk factors. The third step is the identification of funds that invest in each asset class. Then you can check for past performance or investment objectives for comparing mutual funds. Select and decide the mutual fund scheme you will invest in. You can then start the application either online or offline. Diversifying your investments and regular follow-ups are essential to ensure better results and higher profit.